good morning everyone. So we're here at the Shangri-La Makati. Birthday ng aking best friend. Yeah, nagpipicture-picture sila. Ang ganda! Baka. Ganda naman ng babae na to. Thus, we are waiting for lunch to open on the second level of Siang Palace as they open 11:30 a.m. Oh my god, we're just earlier than the scheduled opening time. And look at the lovely birthday girl, so adorable. So, since the entire trip from Laguna to Makati is so frosty, we need to use the restroom first for some, retouching before lunch.
A few minutes later.
And look at this, guys. This is a Shangri-La restroom. It's so large that it almost seems like my room. Oh my god. All it needs is a couch. Look at that beautiful lady. Hi guys. And yes, papasok na po kami sa Siang Palace. Dito kami magla-lunch. Ayan. So, pasok na. Yes. Gora na. Tara na, te.
One eternity later.
So guys, as you can see, we ordered a lot of food. So I'm not sure if we'll be able to finish it all. Okay na po.
Ikaw, birthday. Happy birthday. Where is the...
1 hour later.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Nakaya no.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Thank you po. Thank you so much.
A few minutes later.
Hindi tayo sa mga Chinese, kasi parang same lang to sa mga Filipino food, kaya sanay din tayo. Pero pag mga ibang food, mga Korean, Japanese.
Hirap identify yung lasa.
Tsaka may proper way kung paano siya kainin. Kung paano i-dip yung sushi sa soy sauce.
Pag namali ka,
Really?
hindi yun yung tamang lasa para doon.
Hindi kagaya dito, ang dali.
Lunch here sa Shangri-La. Tambay lang kami, naghihintay kami ng car.
Yeah, boy.
Labo ng mata ko.
1 week later.
Hi everyone! So we're going na sa filling station! Yay!
So, oras ba? Alas 2 na.
Wala na. Wala na.
1 hour later.
Sige na mesa, sige.
Ang ganda na wala na yung blue.
Ganda kong ba? Ay! Bakit? Bakit siya? Alam mo nga pala.
Tama, hindi ikaw lang nandun sa kabila.
Hindi pala. No, dito ka din. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Thank you po. Thank you. Birthday. Happy Wala po Cheese! Happy birthday!
24 hours later.
Hindi, mata ko kasi. When? Hindi nga! Contact lens. Tanggalin ko to. Yes!
Wait lang, matapos yung set.
One week later.
Let's go na! Uwian na!
Obvious ba?
Nandun na saan?
Ayoko sa gitna rin may hilo. Okay, parang
Tayo yung heels ko. Tayo yung heels ko. Finally, we're going back home from Makati to our place, which was not the same location. So I requested the driver to drop off my friends first before me and my best friend. So I think this is the end of this video, guys. So see you in my next vlog. Bye!